How to set your freelance rates. Ever feel like you're either overcharging and scaring clients away or undercharging and losing out on what you're truly worth? In today's video, I'm going to reveal 8 key strategies to help you set the perfect freelance rate, one that clients love and that leaves you paid fairly. Stick around because 6 might completely change how you approach your pricing. Hey, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Whether you're just starting out in freelancing or looking to adjust your rates, setting the right price can make or break your business. Today, I'll walk you through 8 essential tips to help you find that perfect balance in your freelance rates. Let's jump in. 1. Assess your skills and experience. Start by understanding where you stand. Are you new or seasoned? If you're just starting out, competitive pricing might help you land those first few clients. But if you have specialized skills or a few years under your belt, it's okay to charge more because clients know they're getting expertise. 2. Research your industry's rates. Market research is crucial. Check freelancing platforms, industry surveys, or forums to get a sense of what others with similar skills are charging. It's not about copying but about knowing what's realistic, so you're in the right ballpark when you set your rates. 3. Consider your monthly expenses. This one's a game changer. Know exactly how much you need monthly to cover your lifestyle, bills, taxes, and savings. Once you have that number, you'll know your absolute minimum rate to keep freelancing sustainable. 4. Account for business expenses. Alongside your personal costs, don't forget your business expenses: software, hardware, marketing, even health insurance. These all add up and should be factored into your rate so you're not undercutting your own earnings. 5. Choose hourly versus project-based pricing. Hourly rates work for time-bound tasks, but a project rate often helps if the project is result-focused. For example, if a client is paying for a website design, they're more concerned with the final product than how many hours it took you. Project-based pricing also lets you focus on delivering quality rather than counting the clock. 6. Adjust based on demand and availability. Here's a crucial one. If you're constantly booked or you have a skill that's in high demand, you have leverage to raise your rates. High demand means clients value your expertise and are more likely to pay a premium. When you're booked solid, that's a signal to bump up your rates. 7. Offer tiered pricing packages. Setting up different pricing tiers can make your services accessible to a wider range of clients. For example, have a basic, standard, and premium package, with different levels of service in each. This lets clients choose based on their budget, and you have a chance to earn more with added value in your top tier options. 8. Review and adjust rates regularly. Finally, don't let your rates stay stagnant. Set a schedule to review them every 6 to 12 months. As you grow, gain more experience, and get better at what you do, your rates should reflect that. This is especially important if you're working with new clients. They should be paying you based on your current value. And that's a wrap. Setting your freelance rates doesn't have to be a guessing game. With these 8 strategies, you can make sure your pricing is fair, sustainable, and reflective of your true value. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a video with the latest freelancing tips. Until next time.